How to create an XM account. Sign up tutorial with partner code XP6GC. Opening an account with XM is a straightforward process that allows you to start trading quickly on one of the most popular global broker platforms. With a wide range of assets, competitive spreads, and user-friendly tools, XM offers excellent conditions for both beginners and experienced traders. In this tutorial, we'll guide you step by step on how to sign up for an XM account and unlock exclusive benefits by using the partner code XP6GC. Step-by-step guide to creating an XM account. Visit the XM website. Start by going to the official XM website. You'll see a Create Account or Open a Real Account button. Click on this button to begin the registration process. Fill in your personal information. Enter your basic details such as your first name, last name, country of residence, and preferred language. Be sure to use accurate information, as you'll need to verify your identity later on. XM offers different account types to suit various trading needs, including standard, micro, and zero accounts. You can choose your preferred account type here based on your trading style and experience level. Each account type has unique benefits, so pick the one that aligns best with your goals. Enter partner code XP6GC. During the registration process, you'll see an option to enter a partner code. Type in XP6GC to gain access to exclusive benefits and promotions through XM's partner program. This code can offer perks like trading bonuses, lower spreads, and other unique features that enhance your trading experience. Set up your login details. Choose a secure password for your account and complete the registration. You'll use these credentials to log in to XM's platform, so make sure to remember them. After completing the initial setup, you'll receive a confirmation email from XM. Click the link in the email to verify your email address. Next, log into your account and go through the identity verification process by uploading a government-issued ID and proof of address. This step is essential to unlock all trading features and ensure a secure trading environment. Once your account is verified, it's time to make your first deposit. XM offers a variety of funding options, including bank transfers, credit, debit cards, and e-wallets. Choose your preferred payment method and fund your account to start trading. XM also has a low minimum deposit requirement, making it accessible for traders of all levels. XM supports both MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5, which are available on desktop, web, and mobile. Download the platform you're most comfortable with, or access it through your web browser if you prefer a no-download option. Once installed, log in with your XM credentials and start exploring the trading tools and features. With your XM account fully set up and funded, you're now ready to start trading. Explore XM's wide selection of assets, including forex pairs, commodities, indices, and stocks, and use the advanced tools and charting options to develop your trading strategies. Why choose XM and use partner code XP6GC? XM is a reputable broker known for its low spreads, fast execution, and excellent customer support. By using the partner code XP6GC during signup, you gain access to exclusive perks that can give you an edge in trading. With XM's robust platform, educational resources, and dedicated support, it's a top choice for traders looking for a reliable trading experience. The question is ready to open your XM account? Click the registration link in the description or comments below and use partner code XP6GC to get started with exclusive benefits today.